The Miofive 4K dashcam promises a smarter and safer driving experience. Let's dive into the features and see if it lives up to the hype. This dashcam boasts a crisp 4K resolution, capturing significantly more detail than standard 1080p cameras. This enhanced clarity is crucial for capturing critical details in accidents or other incidents. The inclusion of night vision further enhances its recording capabilities in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage even at night. One standout feature is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which allows for seamless transfer of footage to your smartphone or tablet via the Miofive app. No more fumbling with SD cards. The integrated GPS accurately records your location and speed, providing valuable context to your recordings. The G-sensor automatically saves footage when it detects sudden impacts, ensuring crucial evidence is preserved. Beyond basic recording, the Miofive dashcam incorporates some intelligent features. The AI-powered Go Assist algorithm monitors road conditions and alerts you to potential hazards like sudden braking or lane changes. It even prompts you to move when the car ahead starts moving, a helpful feature in stop-and-go traffic. Setting up the Miofive is straightforward, thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. You also have the option for a more permanent hardwired installation. The 2.2-inch display provides a clear view of the camera's feed, and the wide 140 degrees viewing angle captures a broad perspective of the road. The built-in 64GB eMMC storage provides ample space for recordings, and the loop recording feature automatically overwrites older files when the storage is full. While the Miofive dashcam offers a compelling package of features, including 4K recording, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and intelligent driving assistance, real-world testing will determine its true effectiveness. Stay tuned for future updates and more in-depth analysis of its performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.